This is Chris Control Automation. Welcome to Chris Control Automation. If this is the first time you are watching my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, okay? So that you get all my videos, all my automation videos, my control videos, okay? Also, put your comments down there, and also share for me, okay? Share to your friends so that they can also watch. All right. Today we're going to look at forward and reverse, okay? Forward and reverse motor control circuit. Okay, so over here we have the control circuit on the diagram, okay, and then we have the power circuit, okay, the power side and then the control side, okay. So now in for the reverse control circuit, we use two contactors, okay, two contactors. Where are they? We use two contactors, okay. Two contactors, an overload, okay, a single overload, and then three push buttons, okay, three push buttons. So let me come back. The two contactors, okay, we have one contactor 1, okay, as the forward contactor, okay. The contactor 1, K1, is used for the forward direction, okay, and then the K2 is used for the reverse direction. The K2 is for the reverse direction, okay. That's the contactor 2 is for the reverse direction. And then the overload, okay, the overload, as I said earlier. Then these push buttons, we have the forward push button, okay, the forward push button, and then the reverse push button, okay, the reverse start push button. Then this is the forward start push button, okay, the reverse start push button. And then this is the main stop, the stop, okay. This is only one stop for the two directions, okay. So now let me explain the diagram, okay. So over here, these are three-phase lines, okay, line 1, line 2, line 3, and then the neutral, okay. So the control side, the contactors that we are using for this control is a single phase contactor, okay. It's a single phase contactor. Why do I mean by single phase? Because it's a 240 volt contactor. Let's see here. Let's see here. 220 volt, 50 hertz AC. Okay, A1, A2. Yeah. So it means that this contactor is a single phase contactor. Okay. And in that case, we only need what? Live and neutral to operate this contactor. Live, okay, live and then neutral to operate this contactor. So we picked from line 1, okay. It could be any of these three lines, okay, but we picked from the line 1, okay. So then from line 1 came to the identify the overload. This is the overload, okay. Let me explain the component. This is the overload, okay. That is the overload section, the 95, 96, the closed section. These two sections, okay. This side is the 97, 98, the open section. So we are using the closed section, 95, 96, okay. And then this one is the stop push button, okay. The stop push button. This one is the stop push button, okay. So this push button is a double acting push button, okay. It has two contacts. One is open, one is closed. This side is the closed section. This side is the closed section, okay. 1 and 2 here. Then this side is the open section. So we are going to use the closed section, okay, as our stop. And then over here we have 2122, okay, 2122, and then we have K22 here. This K2, okay, on this 2122 indicates that the 2122, okay, contact, this is a closed contact. So this K2 indicates that this contact is a contact on this contactor, the contactor K2, okay. This K2, this K2 here, okay, indicates that this contact, this 2122, is a closed contact on this K2, okay. Yeah. And then so this close contact, okay, over here, this is the K2 contactor, okay. This is an auxiliary contact, okay. This is an auxiliary contact. We provided this auxiliary contact because we didn't have much contact here. We only had apart from the main load lines or the power lines, we only had 13, 14, the normally open contact on this contactor. So we needed 2122 or a close contact, okay, a close auxiliary contact, okay. That is why we provided this auxiliary contact, okay. Yeah. So over here on this contact, we have 61, 62. Okay, we have 61 and then 62. I've written it. 61, this is it. 61 and then 62 and then 71, 72. It means that they are all close contacts. Okay, 61, 62, 71, 72. They are all close contacts. And then here we have 53, 54, and then 83, 84. They are all open contacts. So these two middle ones are the close contacts. Okay, but over here we have 21, 22 on the diagram. Okay, 21, 22 on the diagram. Yes, and we don't have the same 21, 22 here, but because it is between 1 and 2, close contacts are always between 1 and 2. So close contact starts from 1 and 2, 11 and 12, 21, 22, as we have here. Okay, as we have here, 31, 32, and so forth. So here we have 61, 62, 71, 72. They are all close contacts. Okay, so now, and here we have the key one. That is the contactor 1. Okay, this contactor. Okay, the contactor 1 coil. That is the A1 and then the A2. Okay, this one's the A1 and then the A2. Okay, this one is the hold-on contact. Okay, for this contactor, the hold-on contact. So you can use 3334. Over here, here is 1314, but it's an open contact. Okay, and this side is an open contact, but we have here 1314. Sorry, 3334. 3334, and this side is 1314. But because it is between 3 and 4, it means that they're all the same. Okay, yeah. Open contact starts from 3 and 4, 13, 14, 23, 24, 33, 34, and so forth. Okay, yeah. So I think that is that. This side is same as this. Okay, so now let's come back to this side too. This power side. You see, this side is the load side. Okay, so this line are the load lines. The load lines for contactor 1. Okay, this line. And this side is the load line. Okay, they are the load lines for contactor 2. These lines. Okay, these lines. Isn't it? Yeah, these lines. Okay, these lines. This three line. Yeah, they are the load lines. Okay, this side is the hold-on contact, the open contact, the auxiliary contact. This side. Yeah, so these 3 lines are the load lines. And then what you see here is the overload. This side, the overload power line. Okay, this 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. So they will be connected. Okay, in series with this contactor. It will be attached here. Okay, you do it, and then you all see. Okay, yes, it will be attached here. Okay, so that is it. Yeah, this is the overload. Okay. Then this is our 3-phase motor, okay, which is here. And today we'll be working with a 3-phase motor today, okay. This is our 3-phase motor. Okay, so let's get started. So let me explain the control circuit. So now how the circuit operates, okay. How the circuit operates. Okay. So this is overload. Okay, so now this is our forward start. Okay, push button. This is our forward start push button. Okay, yeah. So now then this is our reverse. This is our main stop. This one. Okay, now let's see this circuit. Yeah, this contact. Okay, let me explain this contact before we continue. This contact, they are called electrical contact. Okay, sorry, electrical interlock. Okay, yeah, electrical interlock. Yeah, electrical interlock. This contact, why are they there? This contact are there. This contact, they are there to prevent unintended operation when when the motor or when one contactor, let's say when contactor 1 is already on. Okay, and when we press on the reverse contactor, the K2 would never turn on, because once the contactor 1 is on, it's supposed to be off before the K2 can also turn on. Let me explain it back again. What I mean is that they are all electrical interlock. Okay, so it means that when contactor 1 is on, when the motor is operating in the forward direction, okay, and someone presses on the reverse push button to start the motor in the reverse, there's no way the reverse contactor will come on or will energize. Why? Because once the contactor 1 is working now, this contact has opened, okay, it's opened, preventing unintended operation. So when this side is open and you press here, there's no way current will flow through here. The same way here, when this one is also operating, it's working, it opens this contact. So when you press on the forward push button, there's no way this contactor would energize. So now let me explain the circuit. So this is the forward side, okay, and then the reverse side. Okay, now when you press on the forward push button, okay, the forward push button, this side closes, the 3 and 4 it closes, okay, and then current begins to flow through the circuit, okay, through the closed contact on this K2. Because all the contactors are energized, they are all off. These contacts are all closed, they are all closed. Now the motor is off, everything is off, these contactors are off. It means that this contact too, they are all closed, they are normally closed. Okay, so now let's begin the explanation. When we press on the forward push button, okay, this side closes, this 3 and 4 it closes, then current begins to flow through the circuit through this closed contact on the K2, okay, through it to the A1 of this K1 contactor, okay, yeah, and then the neutral is here. So it means that when you close it and you press here and this side closes, this contactor would energize, okay, through this closed contact, okay, current will flow through to energize this contactor, okay. So it means that now our contactor 1 is working. Contactor 1 is working, okay, it's working now. This is a hold on contact, okay. It is wired in power with the forward start push button, okay, the forward direction push button, so that when this contactor energizes, this contact also closes alongside this contactor. So when we remove our hand from this push button, because this is a closed contact, it's a closed contact now, okay, current will still flow through this contact to maintain the K1, okay, in the energized state, to maintain it on. Okay, now at the same time, when this contactor, the K1 also energizes, because this is a closed contact on this contactor. So when this contactor energizes, okay, this side would open, this side opened, this side, because it's a closed contact on this. So when we energize this K1, this side open, okay. So it means that, assuming now our motor is running in the forward direction, okay. So if someone can, okay, and the person presses on the reverse push button, closes here, current will flow through this side. But when it gets here, because this contactor is on, this side is open, so there's no way this Q2 would energize. That is the electrical interlock, okay. Okay, mechanically they are closing, okay, yeah. So this is the electrical interlock. So when this contactor is on, it will prevent this contactor from coming on. At the same time, when this is also on, it will also prevent this one from coming on by this side, okay. So now our contactor 1 is on now, it's energized, right? So let's come to the power side. Our contactor 1 is energized, okay. Now, so when this contactor energized, okay, these are the load lines, okay, they are applying the power onto the motor. So they are connected this side, okay. These are the load lines, this side, okay, this side, they are the load lines. So when this contactor energized, okay, these lines, okay, this open contact, okay, these ones, okay, these ones, they close, okay, and then current begin to flow through each of these contacts through the overload to operate the motor, and then the motor will begin to run in the forward direction, okay, in the forward direction, because this is a forward line, okay. The motor will begin to run in the forward direction, okay. So now our motor is running in the forward direction, okay. Let's try to stop it, okay. So you only stop it by pressing the stop push button. So when you press here, this side opens, okay, and then the current is broken, okay. The current is broken, and then this contactor goes off, and then this side opens, okay, this side opens, and then the motor is turned off. The motor is turned off. So now we are coming to operate the motor. So now that this key one, okay, is off now, this side has become closed. It has closed back again. It has closed back again. Now that this one is off now, we have off it. Okay, it means that this contact has now become closed again. Okay, so now we are coming to operate the motor in the reverse direction. Okay, we are coming to operate the motor in the reverse direction. So now let's press the reverse push button. Okay, so we press the reverse push button. Because now this contact is closed, current, when you press here, this side will close. Okay, then current will begin to flow through this circuit, through this closed section. Okay, through this closed contact to this closed contact, then to energize the K2. Okay, to energize the K2. So when this K2 energizes, okay, this is also a hold-on contact on this. Okay, this side. Okay, yeah, 13, 14. Okay, so it means that when this one energizes, this contact will also close. Okay, it closes. Okay, yes, so that when we remove our hand from the reverse push button and this side opens, because this side is closed, current will still flow through this closed contact to still maintain the K2 in the on state. Okay, now when this K2 also energizes, it also opens this contact. Okay, it opened this contact. So now this contact is open. So when someone comes and accidentally, okay, the person tries to press on the forward push button. Okay, because this contact is open now, current will flow through and come and rest here and stops here. Okay, because this contact is open, there's no way the current will be able to continue to energize the K1. So they are the interlocks. They are safety contacts. Okay, they are safety contacts, so that when this contactor is on, there's no way this one should be on, and when this is on, there's no way this one should be on. So they are the safety contacts. Okay, they prevent each other. When this one is on, this one should not come on. When this one is on, this one should not come on. When you press it, it will not work because of these contacts. Okay, now our motor is, now the contactor K2 is what? Is energized. Okay, now the contactor K2 is energized. So it means that this contact, this load contact, okay, they are going to close. Okay, so why is it that the motor is going to run in the reverse direction? Why? How would the motor run in the reverse direction? Let's explain that. Okay, in reverse control, in reverse directions, okay, we only interchange any two of the lines, any two. So it could be line 1 and line 2, or line 1 and then line 3, or line 2, line 3. Okay, so in the reverse side, okay, we interchange line 1 and line 3. Why? This is our line 1. Okay, so when it comes to the contactor input, this side, okay, when it comes here, this is our line 1. Okay, it comes here, you have sent the line 1 to line 3, and then this is line 3. So it means that the line 1 is now joining line 3 to the motor. Okay, line 1 is now joining the line 3, this side to the motor. So it means that when this contact closes, it means that the line 1 is now bypassed to line 3. Okay, and then the line 2, we maintained the line 2. So when this contact closes, this is the line 2. So this is the line 2, the middle line. So it is joining the same line 2 to the motor. Okay, and then the line 3, when this line 3 closes, when this contact closes, the line 3 is joined to the line 1 to the motor. So it means that we have reversed the line 1 and line 2. So the line 1 is now joining at line 3, and then the line 3 is now joining at line 1. So it means that we have reversed their directions, and then we maintain the line 2. So this is the reverse direction. So it means that as this contactor is energized now, okay, now the motor is running in the reverse direction because we have reversed the line 1, and then the line 3. We have reversed them. Okay, so as the motor is as the contactor 2 is now energized, the motor is running in the reverse direction. Yes, And that is the main reason why we provided this contact. Okay, so assuming this contacts, this electrical interlocks are not there. Okay, they were not there. Okay, and let's say line K1 is energized. The motor is running in the forward direction. Okay, and someone comes and the person presses on the reverse push button. Because there's no contact here, we didn't provide any interlocks here. So it means that if this one is working and then the motor is running in the forward direction, okay, these contacts are all closed. And then accidentally someone presses on the reverse push button, okay, because there are no contacts here and there it is a straight line, we are assuming that we do not provide any contact here. So we are only looking at how the effect is going to be. Okay, so now the motor is energized, the K1 is energized, and then the motor is running in the forward direction. Okay, someone comes and the person presses on the reverse direction, the reverse push button. Okay, this side will close and it would energize this K2. So when this K2 energizes, let's see what will happen here. It means that this load contacts are all going to close. So when they close, let's see what will happen. Line 1 here is now joining at line 3. It means that when this contact also close, okay, we are joining the line 1 and line 3 together, which will cause a severe short circuit. The overload will trip. When this contact close, they all close at the same time. So when this contact close, the line 2 is joining the same line 2. But let's see the line 3. The line 3 is joining line 1. The line 3, it is joining line 1. So it means that when the K2 also comes on, okay, the line 1 and line 3, they are going to be joined together. And when that happens, a severe short circuit, fire. So in that case, the overload will sense it and trip the circuit. Okay, and since we don't want that thing to happen, that is why we provided this interlocks here, so that when this one is working, it will open here, so that this one can never come on. And at the same time, when this one is also working, it will open this side. And when you press here, this one would never energize until one is off. So they work one after the other. One comes on and goes off before the other one can also come on. So this is the forward and reverse circuit that you have explained. Okay, I hope you all understood. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, yeah, kindly subscribe. Okay, put your comments down there. If you understood, put your comments down there. What do you think we should do? Okay, just put your comments down there. Also like the page. Okay, like the channel. Okay, like the channel, share to your friends. Okay, kindly subscribe. Yeah, let's continue. Now we are going to continue with the wiring. Okay, we are going to continue with the wiring. Yeah, we are going to continue the wiring. So the wiring, we have our forward line. Okay, and then this let me take this one from there. I'll bring it. So this is our forward line, and then this is our reverse line. This is our main stop. Okay, yeah, this is our main stop. Yeah, so and then these are the auxiliary contact. Okay, this contact will help us get more contact. Okay, let me put this on it. Yeah, and then this one is also here. Okay, and then this is our overload. Okay, so the overload, as I said, the overload is always attached to the K1 contactor. Okay, they are in series. Yeah, so we are going to do that now. Okay, so let's get Yeah, so now we have attached the overload to the contactor one, okay? Yeah, as this side, okay? Okay, so now our three main lines, okay? So this is our main line. Yeah, there's our main line, okay? Line 1, line 2, line 3. The power is off, so that is why I can touch it. Yeah, so now so our line 1, the red will be our line 1, okay? Yeah, the red any of them. So let's use the red as our line 1. It's okay. So this one will come here, using it to come to this side. So this is our line 1. That's our line 1. So the line 1 will be connected here. Okay. Okay. And then any of them. So this do it well. So let's pause here and then do the code and do the control side, okay? Let's pause here and then do the control side. Let's pause here and do the control side, okay? So let's pause and do the control side, okay? So you come back to it. So okay, so this is the contactor 1, okay? You see on the diagram you have from line 1, okay? It is coming to 95, okay? So this is our line 1. You are picking from the same line, okay? You can use a breaker, okay? Yeah, I forgot my breaker at the workshop. So this is line 1, okay? So pick a cable. Yeah, you pick a cable. Okay, let's use these cables as our control cables, okay? Let's use cables. So you pick from this side, okay? Okay, so this is the control line, okay, as we picked from the same line 1, okay, this side. So from here, come from here, we connect it at 95, okay? So this is the overload contact, okay? This is the overload contact. So the 95, this is the 95, okay? So we connect it at 95. At 95, and then kindly subscribe to the page, okay? Just pause the video, okay? Pause the video and then subscribe, then later you continue. So let me use, because this controls, okay, the cables are going to be mixed together, okay? So just focus on the wiring, okay? Focus on the wiring. Okay, then this is a 96, right? So let me show you. This is a 96. So from the 96, you are going to the stop, okay? The stop, the other side, the first side, that's the 1. So we put this cable there. So we put this cable there, this side. this side. Okay, that is the one. I hope you can see it. That's the, we have 1 and 2 here. 1 and then 2. 1 and 2. Yeah, my camera is not doing good. So from here, so from the 2, go to the forward start. Okay, from the 2, we're going to the forward start. Okay, and then from the 2, you're going to the first start. So this is our first start. Okay, this is our first. So the 3, this is the 3. It is 23 here, 23, but the same as 3. Same as 3. Depends on the manufacturer. Okay, and then from this side, from this side. Okay, from the 4 or 24 here on the push button. Okay, 24. So from the 4 this side. Okay, we're going to the 21. From this side, you're going to the 21 on the K2, the close section on the K2. So you pick this contactor. Okay, and over here we have 61, 62 and 71, 72. They are all closed, so you can use any. We are using the 61, 62. Yeah, pick it for you. Put it from here, put it at the side. Okay, at the side. Okay, and then you see from the 22, you're going to the contactor K1. Okay, A1. So from this side. Okay, so from the 22 or here is 62. They are all close contacts. Yeah, they are all close contacts. So this is it. Okay, and then from the 22. Okay, so from this side, we are going to the contactor K1 A1, the coil. So this is contactor K1. Okay, yeah, this is contactor K1. So let me arrange it well. Nice. This is contactor K1. Okay, this is the contactor K1. This is the contactor K1. Okay, so from the K2. Okay, yeah, as I show you again, from this side, go to the A1, the contactor. So this is the coil, the connector coil. Okay, these are the connector coils. Okay, so this is the A1. So you open this side. Okay, I'm using it. Okay, then the A2 will be our neutral. Later you connect the A2. Okay, so we are done with the reverse side. Okay, let's come. Sorry, we are done with the forward start, the forward side. So yeah. Okay, let's connect. Let's wire the 1314 power with the start speed button. Okay, this 1314. Okay, so pick cables, two short cables. Okay, so 1314. So this is it. Okay, this one is just simple. Please kindly subscribe to the page. Okay, kindly subscribe to the page for more practical videos like this. Okay. Okay, so now, so this one will go to 1314. So these are open contacts. Okay, on the K1 it's 53, 54. They are open contacts. So wired in parallel. Wired in parallel. So this just simple forward and then reverse, okay? And then the 4, this side, okay? This side, yeah, this side also be wired in parallel with the start push button, okay? So the 4. So on the push button we have 24 on the push button, but they are all the same, they are all pin contacts. So this one is here, okay. This one is here. This one is full practical forward and reverse, okay. And then to be wired here. So it means that now we are done with this side, left with this side, okay. So you tap from either the stop down or the 13, this side, okay. Here, the 53, they're all the same. So you tap from the stop. That will be easier for us, okay. The stop down, the 2, this is the 2, this side, okay. This is the 1, yeah. So this is the 2. So pick a cable. You pick a cable and bring long cables. So these are long cables, so to be easier for us. Okay, let me do this one. So we put it at the stop, okay, the 2. So let's join here together. Yes, and then this side going to the reverse start, okay, the reverse, the 3, okay, the start push button, the 3. So this is our reverse start. Okay. This side, it is 23, 24. So we send it to the 3, the 24. So it is 24, 23 on the push button. They are all the same. Yeah, and then from the 4, or 24 on the push button, okay, it goes to then it goes to let's see, it goes to the contactor 121, okay. Yeah, so from the 4, this is it. So here we have 61. They are all the same close contact, okay. They are all the same close contacts. So this is where we wired, okay. Yeah, so from 22 to the contactor A2 coil, okay, from this side. So over here we have 62. They are all the same, okay. They are all the same. 62 and 22, they are all close contacts. So from here, going to the contactor coil A1, the contactor 2 A1. So this is the A1, or this one is the 2. This is the A1. So those contacts are the electrical interlock, okay. Yeah, they are the interlocks. So this is it, okay. Yeah, this is it. Now left with the A2, you connect them. So now left with the 1314, okay. Left with the 1314, okay. So in parallel with the start, the reverse start push button. So this is our reverse start push button. So this is the 3.
3. It is 3 on the diagram, but it is 23 on the push button. They are all the same. 3 on the diagram, 23 on the push button. They are all the same. Okay, so the 3 will come to connect that the 53, and then 53 and 13, they are all the same. So 13 on the diagram, 53 on the contactor, they are all the same. They are all the same. And then take a cable, connect the 4. So 4 on the push button, 4 on the diagram, but 24 on the push button. They are all the same. They are all the same. They are all open contacts. So this one will be connected at it means that we have wired in parallel. Okay, so this one will be connected at 54. So it should have been 14 on the contactor, but we have 14 on the diagram. On the contactor we have 54, 54. They are all open contacts. So it means that now we are done with the control side. Okay, we are done with the control side, right? So this is the main stop. This is our main stop. Okay, now left with the power side. Okay, left with the power side. So the power side. Okay, so now let me connect the neutral. Okay, let me connect everything so that we test everything. Okay, so the power side, you see this side, the line 1, okay, line 1, line 2, line 2, line 3. So here are they. Okay, this one, line 1, okay, line 1, line 2, and then line 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so this is the input. Okay, this is our main line. Okay, so from the main line, they were connected at the input of the K1. Okay, the input of the K1, this side. Okay, this 3. So from there it connects from the output of the K1. Okay, it connects with the overload. So and then this is it. They are connecting here because they are tagged. Okay, then from the overload output it goes to the motor, right? So this is our motor. This is the motor terminals. Okay, so we have U1, okay, U1 V1, okay, U1 V1, and then W1. Okay, yeah, U1 V1 W1. Let me show you on the motor terminal. Okay, let me show you the motor terminal. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so over here you have U1, okay, U1 and then V1. Okay, that's that. So this is U1, okay, V1, and then W1. Okay, yeah, so this is the motor terminal block. Okay, so this is the motor terminal block. Yeah, so let's continue with the explanation. Okay, let's continue the explanation. Yeah. So you connect. So this is U1. Okay, this is our U1. So you connect the U1 here. Now we are doing the power side. Okay, as I showed you, the power side. Okay, this side. We are connecting this side to the motor. This side to the motor. Okay, yeah, this side to the motor. So this is our U1. Then this is the overload. Okay, this is the overload. So that is U1. U1 will come to the T1 of the overload. U1 will come to the T1, and then V2 will come to the T2 So V2 will come to the T2. And then W1 go to the T3. Okay, so now we are done with the forward side. Okay, yes, we are done with this side. We are done with the forward side. Now left with the reverse. Okay, this side. So we tap from here to this side. Okay, let's pick our 3 cables. So here, line 1. Okay, line 1 from the forward contactor. Okay, from this side. Okay, would go to line 1 on the reverse side. Okay, line 2 will go to the reverse side. Okay, then line 3 will also go to the reverse side. Okay, so now we pick our cable. So this is our line 1. The cables are many now. So this is our line 1. So you put the cable there. Yeah. Put the cable there and then fix it. The control cable has removed. Okay, so now okay, so now this line 1 will come to the line 1 here. Okay, then pick a cable from line 2. From line 2, put this cable there, and then this cable will come to line 2 here. The cables are long. Isn't it? Yeah. Okay. This cable. This is the where is it? This is the 24, the 23. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we did not do this side. Yeah, there's 53. We did not connect this side. So the starts. That is 23. Go to 53. That is the hold on. Okay, the 1314. We did not connect it. Let's connect it. Okay, and then you have 24. Come to 24 or 4. You go to 14. On the contactor, we have 54. We have 54. 50, 53. Okay, 53, 54. Okay, they are all open contacts. So now we are done with this side, with the hold on. Okay, so now left with line 3. Left with line 3. left with line 3. So this line 3. For the purpose of this explanation, that is why the cables are so plenty. If you are doing it yourself at your place, your premises, make sure you arrange the cable nice. Just grasp, only understand the explanation, okay? So that you'll be able to do it on your own. Understand forward and reverse. Please kindly subscribe, okay? Just pause the video and then subscribe. Put your comment down there, okay? Let me hear your comment. So now you are done with this side, okay? This side. So line 1. So this is our line 1, okay? The line 1. It is connecting as line 1 of this reverse contactor, okay? This side, okay? This is the line 1. Yeah, this is the line 1. Then line 2, this is line 2, okay? It's joined at line 2 here, okay? This is line 3, join at this side. Okay, so we are done with the input side. Now left with the output. Come to reverse the output, okay? So the output, this side. You see this side, okay? So the line 1, this side, okay? And the contactor, this side. You see this side. The line 1 we join line 3 in between the overload and the first contactor. So here, this side, okay? In between this side, okay? This side, okay? So put cable at this side. Okay, so now this is the line 1. It is joining line 3, okay? So let's detach the overload. Let's remove the overload from there. Let's remove the overload and then attach it from there. So line 1, okay? The line 1, this is the line 1. This is the line 1. This side is the line 1, okay? To join line 3 here, okay? And this forward contactor output here. Okay, so sorry, some small code is worrying me. Okay, so it's joining here, and then put a cable here, line 2. Line 2. Yeah, this is line 2. Let's put a cable there. So this is the reverse that we are doing. Okay, so now this is the line 1, right? Visit. So this is the line 1. Line 1 here is line 1, line 2, line 3. But going to this side is where the reverse takes place. So the line 1 will join at line 3. Line 2 will join at line 2. Then the line 3 will then join at line 1. Okay, so now this is our line 1, okay? This is our line 1. It is joining line 3 here, okay? Okay. This is our line 2. I've seen it. The line 2 is joining at the same line 2. Okay. This is line 3. This is line 3, isn't it? This is line 3, this side, line 3. Line 3, it is joining line 1. So it is coming to this side. Okay. The line 2 has removed. So the line 3 is coming to line 1. The line 2 has removed again. So there is it. Let's fix the overload. Okay, so this is the line 2. Okay, it is here. Okay. This side is a little bit complex, like the overload fixing. Do it this way so I can fix the overload there. Okay, it is moving. Let us go down like this, and fix it there. Okay, so this is line 1, line 3, line 1. Okay, then line 1 here to line 3. Okay, that is all. So let's feed overload nicely. Okay. Now it's okay. So you can fix it. You can tight it. Okay, so now we are done with the wiring. Left with the coils, the A2. Let's connect the A2. So this is the main neutral. This is the main neutral. Yeah. So let me take a blue cable, a long one. Okay, so that I'll join this one like this. Okay. So the neutral going to the A2 of the main contactor. The A2. Sorry. The A2. Let me do it well. So for the purpose of the video, when you are doing it at your places, make sure you do it so nice. And then this A2 also come to the reverse contactor coil A2. Okay. Okay. So now we are done with the wiring, both the controls and then the power side. Okay. Yeah. So this is the reverse. Okay, contactor. Okay. Let me put it here. So this is the reverse side. Okay, and then this is the forward side. Okay, and then this is the forward. Okay, then the reverse. Okay, so now let's start it. Okay, I'm going to turn on the power. I'm going to turn on the main breaker. Okay, the main breaker. Now the main breaker is on. the main breaker is on. So let's begin. Okay, let's begin. So now our main breaker is on. Okay, our main breaker is on. So now this is our motor terminal. Okay, this is the cables. Okay, the U1, V1, and then W1. Okay, and then this are our contactors, our controls. Okay, this is the forward side. Okay, the forward side, and then this is the reverse side. Okay, so now let's push our motor close. Okay, so let's see the direction we are going to operate the motor. Okay, so we're going to press on the reverse. Let me see if powers are there. It's there. Okay, one is there. This one is also there. Yeah, this one is also there. Yeah. Okay, so now let's let's run the motor. Yeah, this is full practical for the reverse. Okay, so let's press the start. Okay, I'm pressing the start. Let's see the contactor, whether it will energize. You see that it is in. Let me stop it. That's come. Okay, the motor is running this way. Okay, it's running this way. So this is the direction. Okay, the first direction can be this way depending upon this side. Okay, yeah, so now we have two directions. Now our first direction is this way. Okay, yeah, so let me start this again. Let's see the contactor. Now the motor is running this direction. Okay, this direction. Okay, let me start the reverse. Let me press on the reverse. As I press it, you see it is not energizing. Why? Because this contactor is on. Okay, so at this side, once the contactor K1 is on, it means that this side is open. This side is open, preventing this one from coming on. So when I press on this side, because this side is open, okay, when I press here, because this side is open, there's no way this K2 will come on unless this K1 is off. So let's off it. Yes, let it, yeah, slow down. Okay, now we can start the reverse. Okay, so let's see the contactor. I reach the direction. Let me stop it and press it and see the direction. Okay, see this direction, it is going this way. So this is the reverse. Okay, it's going this way. So let me start again. So let me stop it again. Let's see the reverse. The direction is going this way. It is going this way. I'm using it this way. Yes. So let's start it once again. Then let's try and press the start, the forward push button and see the forward push button. You see, it is not energizing because once the K2 is on, whilst it is on, this side is open, preventing the K1 from coming on. Yeah, so this is forward and reverse. Yeah, fellows, this is forward and reverse. This is forward and reverse. So this is the forward. This is the forward. Yeah, so it is going this way. Okay, let's see, this way. Okay, let's press the reverse. Let's see the reverse. Yeah, let's stop it. Let's see the direction this way. So fellows engineers, this is simple forward and reverse. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, just subscribe. Okay, subscribe, put your comments down there or like it, push it to your friends, just share the channel to your friends, share the video. Okay, yeah, see you in my next tutorials. Thank you very much for watching.